Mike, I mean, so much going on, right? And Goldman, I mean, we have this great story saying, look, this is a make or break moment for one of the units as the chief executive is really put to the test.
Yes, I think, we're talking about that unit being the asset and wealth management unit. That has been for a long time what Goldman has pointed to is this is the path to us getting a higher multiple. We make a lot of money in trading, we make a lot of money in investment banking, but investors don't give that a very high multiple because it's so volatile, because it swings around so much. So this can be the steady ballast of our bank. That's what Morgan Stanley has done so successfully under James Gorman, and that's where Goldman is trying to get more credit, and I think the Investor Day will be a big piece of that.
Can David Solomon turn this around?
Well, if you look at a year ago, Jamie Dimon used his Investor Day to really kind of head-on take on criticism of the bank's spending and really, kind of change the narrative of that. I think that's what Solomon will try to do here, kind of change the narrative. It's all been about the flop that was consumer banking, but if they can show some momentum in this other business that investors tend to like, that could help change some of the, momentum of it.
So momentum is, so this is what negative narrative. So he basically, I mean, will he say that everything's on the table, and how much is his job on the line actually?
I think, the stock has been doing okay. It hasn't been doing terribly, but I think what investors look to is that difference with Morgan Stanley in terms of the multiple, which is a far cry from a decade ago when Morgan Stanley was looking up at Goldman. So I think they want to see a turnaround there. There obviously has been agita over, the partner bonuses were cut pretty dramatically in what was a decent year for the trading and investment banking businesses. So I think it's about getting confidence back in the direction that they're going.